Hi everyone, I'm here to tell you about a new bar that is called Lactobites. It is made for women and it's wonder for new moms. I myself have started taking for from last couple of months, and after having that bar, and I feel good changes in my body. Literally, I feel energetic. I feel like working because I myself am having two children, one 2-year boy and one 10 months daughter, and that too C-section. And after having two delivery in two consecutive years, my body gave up like anything, and I was so lethargic. And after having taking that bar, I feel amazing because I would suggest you, especially the new moms, to take that bar because it has no added sugars and no preservatives, no gluten. It's gluten free, and it has good source of protein like almonds and pumpkin seeds and cinnamon flavor, like all the recipes which our dadis and nanis used to give us. It has everything in one compact bar. I would suggest you to please try this bar, and you will yourself will feel the change. Trust me, it's amazing.